In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This is a super easy process that you can do yourself at home. You won't need any special tools to get it done. We're looking today at the Genie G3T-R garage door opener. This is the one that you see right here. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. If you don't have one of these lying around, feel free to check out the link in the description. That will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, to get this thing open, we first want to flip it over and just simply pull the clip out. We'll slide right out, and now you can see up on the top there's an opening there along the seam. Just use the same clip, insert it in, and gently twist, and this should come apart. You can now just pull this off, set that to the side, and these buttons as well. You can see in here the circuit board, just gently remove that, and now we have access to the battery. So first, just start pushing it to get it to work it out a little bit, and then pull it out. And you can now dispose of the old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032 and that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you just slide it into place and push it all the way in there. Now take the back part of the garage door opener, flip this over, and you want the the circular opening to be on the bottom of the key fob, or rather the garage door opener. And now we can set these buttons right on top. You can see those 6 buttons will just line up with the marks on the circuit board, and then set that on top and click it all back together. Just go ahead and slide your clip back in there, and you are good to go. You do not need to reprogram this. This should continue working with your garage door. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to like or comment, and have a great day.